Hello, lovebirds! Planning a honeymoon can be overwhelming, right? You want it to be perfect. Who wants to wade through endless options and hidden costs? Why stress when you can have it all in one package? That's where we come in. Welcome to Travel Airways. Discover ultimate honeymoon destinations without hidden costs. Let's dive into the top 10 all-inclusive honeymoon resorts. Get ready for turquoise waters and lasting memories. We're kicking off our list in the heart of the Pocono Mountains, a region that holds a special place in the hearts of honeymooners. Forget cookie-cutter resorts. Skytop Lodge is all about classic charm and natural beauty. Picture yourselves cozying up by crackling fireplaces, sipping hot cocoa, and strolling hand in hand through crisp mountain air. Skytop Lodge brings the adventure too. We're talking heart-pumping zip lines, rock climbing, and invigorating hikes with breathtaking views. And the best part? All your meals are included, so you can savor every delicious bite without ever pulling out your wallet. It's the perfect blend of adventure, relaxation, and quality time spent in a truly magical setting. For couples who crave a honeymoon that's truly off the beaten path, a journey to Botswana's breathtaking Okavango Delta is an absolute must. Nestled in the heart of this pristine wilderness is Sarana Camp, where luxury meets the wild in the most unforgettable way. Imagine waking up in your luxurious tent, the sounds of the African bush gently rousing you from your sleep. Days at Sarana are spent exploring the delta's intricate waterways by traditional Mokoro canoes and getting up close with incredible wildlife on guided game drives. After a day filled with adventure, return to the comfort of your tented suite, complete with plush furnishings and private decks overlooking the delta. Sarana Camp isn't just a honeymoon, it's an immersive experience that will stay with you long after you've said your I-dos. Sometimes you just want a classic sun-drenched honeymoon, and the Mexican Caribbean can't be beat. Beloved Playa Mujeres offers an adults-only atmosphere, stunning oceanfront setting, and luxurious amenities for couples. Lounge by infinity pools melting into the turquoise Caribbean Sea, and sip handcrafted cocktails on pristine white sand beaches. Indulge in the world-class spa with rejuvenating treatments. From private balconies to gourmet dining, you'll celebrate your love. For couples who crave a honeymoon that's equal parts relaxation and exploration, we're heading to the heart of Texas, but not to the bustling cities you might expect. Lake Austin Spa Resort offers a unique blend of tranquility and adventure, all set against the backdrop of Texas's stunning hill country. Spend your days kayaking or paddleboarding on the serene lake, or grab a fishing rod and try your luck at reeling in a catch. Lake Austin Spa Resort offers a surprising array of activities to keep you entertained, from tennis to horseback riding. And when you're ready to unwind, the world-class spa awaits with a menu of rejuvenating treatments inspired by the surrounding natural beauty. Sometimes the most romantic getaways are found closer to home, nestled in the heart of picturesque landscapes that feel both familiar and extraordinary. For couples seeking a honeymoon that exudes rustic elegance and intimate charm, look no further than Twin Farms in Vermont. Imagine escaping to a secluded haven where rolling hills blanketed in vibrant foliage give way to charming cottages and crackling fireplaces. Here, days are spent exploring the great outdoors, from scenic hikes to fishing in pristine streams. With only 20 exquisitely appointed rooms and suites, you'll enjoy a level of privacy and personalized attention that's hard to find elsewhere. For couples dreaming of a honeymoon that's equal parts adventure and pure indulgence, we're setting our sights on a secluded island paradise that feels a world away, yet is closer than you might think. Welcome to Little Palm Island Resort and Spa, a jewel of the Florida Keys accessible only by boat or seaplane. Spend your days kayaking through mangrove forests, snorkeling in crystal-clear waters, or simply lounging on the beach. With only 30 luxurious bungalows, you'll feel like you have this island paradise all to yourselves. Indulge in world-class dining experiences featuring fresh, locally sourced seafood, and treat yourselves to rejuvenating spa treatments. Whether you're adventurers at heart or simply seeking a secluded escape to relax and reconnect, Little Palm Island offers the perfect blend of luxury, natural beauty, and unforgettable experiences. If you're looking for a honeymoon that's as unique and adventurous as your love story, let's set our sights on a truly extraordinary destination. The Caves in Negril, Jamaica. A secluded cliffside sanctuary carved into Negril's iconic cliffs. Explore hidden coves and grottos, each a unique natural wonder. Swim in the crystal-clear Caribbean Sea, or leap from the cliffs. End the day with a romantic sunset toast, with live reggae music filling the air. For couples who crave indulgence and relaxation, let's journey to the sun-kissed shores of Mexico, to Secrets Maroma Beach, Riviera, Cancun. Experience ultimate romance and sophistication. Lounge by sparkling pools, sip handcrafted cocktails, or rejuvenate at the world-class spa. Dine at gourmet restaurants, savor fresh seafood, or enjoy a candlelit dinner under the stars. For those who dream of a honeymoon that's as adventurous as it is luxurious, let's embark on an unforgettable journey to a land of ancient temples, lush jungles, and exotic wildlife, Thailand. Nestled in the heart of this magical country, bordering Myanmar and Laos, lies the Four Seasons tented Camp Golden Triangle, a secluded sanctuary that offers a once-in-a-lifetime experience. Trek through the jungle on the back of an elephant, explore the surrounding villages, and gain a deeper understanding of the rich traditions and customs of this fascinating region. As the sun begins its descent, retreat to your luxurious tent for an evening of romance and relaxation. Sip on cocktails on your private deck as you watch the sunset over the mountains, the sounds of the jungle providing a soothing soundtrack. Our top all-inclusive honeymoon destination is a place where the desert landscape inspires tranquility and wellness is a way of life. Welcome to Miraval, Arizona, a sanctuary of wellness and rejuvenation. Embrace a mindful approach to your honeymoon. Leave your devices behind and immerse in the present moment. Start your days with invigorating yoga sessions and unwind at the world-renowned Miraval Life and Balance Spa. So, there you have it, lovebirds. Our top 10 all-inclusive honeymoon resorts for 2024, each one offering a unique blend of adventure, romance, and relaxation. From the secluded beaches of the Caribbean to the rugged beauty of the Jamaican coast, from the heart of the African wilderness to the tranquility of the Sonoran Desert, there's a perfect honeymoon destination waiting to be discovered. Now, it's time to start planning your dream getaway. Which of these incredible resorts has captured your heart? Let us know in the comments below. And don't forget to like, subscribe, and hit that notification bell so you never miss out on our next adventure-filled video. Until then, keep exploring the world, keep dreaming big, and most importantly, keep the spirit of adventure alive in your hearts. Happy honeymooning!